Hello. So today's video is going to be a closet organization as well as a fridge organization video. Our pantry is an absolute disaster. It looks like shit. So I was like, you know what? I need to do this now. I need to organize. We're just finishing up the apartment, kind of like we just put our photos up on the wall, and I absolutely love how it came out. And then we just decided to buy a little small table from IKEA, just to put in the space, because once we put the Christmas tree down, the space was just gonna look so naked, and we just wanted to fill it up. We still wanted it to be minimal, but we just didn't want there to be absolutely nothing there. So really the last step of putting together this apartment is just the pantry and then reorganizing the fridge. Please like and subscribe, and I really hope you enjoy this video. Hi guys. So we are on our way to Home Goods. Hold on, let me just back out of here. I'm gonna hit anybody's car, because that would be bad. I don't got time for that. I really want to find some baskets. I want to find I guess I'll just put the inspo for what I want for my pantry up on the screen. Ideally these would be for the loose items that I can't really put in a container, so I want to see if I can find them for cheaper at Home Goods. Shopping for me personally, I always try to look for the best price. I'm really good at shopping for stuff on sale and whatnot. I can't bring myself to pay the whole price if I know I could find it somewhere else for cheaper. But only of course if the quality is still the same. I'm all about quality when it comes to shopping, but if I can, I try to at least see if I can find it for a cheaper price. The acrylic bins that I got from Home Goods, they were super cheap, $3.99 for these two, just so cheap. And I got a bunch of them, so I'm gonna put these in the fridge once I go to the grocery store tomorrow. And then I got baskets back there that I want to put in the pantry, just to kind of organize the stuff that's not going to be going in these containers. So I found these really good ones on Amazon, and I got a 20-piece set for $70, a 20-piece set. I didn't know if 20 pieces was going to be enough. I did the 20-piece set, and then they also have a 7-piece set, which was only, I think it was $27 for 7 pieces. So that's a really good deal, and they're not cheap or anything. They're not bad quality. I already opened them. They come in different sizes. There are these ones. These look as very similar, almost identical to the OXL brand. I just know that brand, they have a little button at the top. This one, you just take that and it literally unseals the container, and then just to put it back, you just have to seal it in, and that's it. It comes out like clockwork. She knows that it comes out around this time. So now she's gonna walk and go. As you can see behind me, there she goes. And then she's gonna jump up there. Yep. And then she eats it. This girl. I think I'm going to wash all of the containers, and I'm going to wait to put the food in the containers until tomorrow morning, because tomorrow morning I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's and do a fresh grocery haul for the week, and then that's what I'm going to do. and I found these two bins. I don't know if they're going to fit in here, but we're gonna try. Ella, are you ready? You're so cute. Trader Joe's, and so now I'm going to put all of this stuff in the fridge, and I'm going to get the acrylic little containers that I got from Home Depot, and I'm going to use those for the fridge. Last night I cleaned out the fridge. I made sure to do that last night just because I didn't want to have to do that today. It's just like one less step to do, so I am going to try to reorganize the fridge now, and I'll show you like how I'm doing it and kind of like what my thought process is. I have inspo for my fridge just like how I did for the pantry. I'm not going to follow that like specifically just because I want the fridge to look organized, but I also want it to be, I want it to make sense for Ben and I, like what do we grab for the most, or you know, when I'm cooking and I'm looking for something, I want to be able to find it right away and like know where its home is. So I want it to be organized, but I also want it to be sufficient and make sense. So I'll kind of just show you guys how I'm going to organize the fridge. the fridge is done, so let me show you what I did. Whoa. Okay, so the door, you can't really do too much with the fridge door, but I tried to put all of the condiments, hi Bella, all of the condiments down here, so that they're all together. Here I have like all of these salad dressings, this oil that Ben likes, so like this coffee made for Ben when he drinks his coffee, and then just like a spiced chai latte concentrate. And then I just have Bella's dog food, some garlic and jelly up there, and then this is where I keep all of the butter. That's the door. Moving on to the main thing. It looks like I have nothing in my fridge, but I swear I do. So I made these drawers the dedicated vegetable drawers, I guess. So we have our broccoli, or our salad mix, spinach in here. Got some celery, carrots, potatoes, onions, avocados. I think this is cilantro. So that's kind of the fridge drawers. Moving up here, so these are all of our White Claws that we have. We had a Halloween party not too long ago, obviously on Halloween, and we have a bunch of like beer left over. Like you see, we have these beers, but we just don't drink it. So I'm gonna ask Ben if he wants these beers. I feel like he doesn't, because he's not gonna drink those. But you know, I'm gonna keep the White Claws in case like I have friends come over or something, and they're just easy to grab if I just want like a drink or something. Here we have our ginger ale. More drinks over here. This is just some chicken that I'm probably gonna make tonight. Prune juice. We have seltzer back there. This is like where we keep our milk. So I drink almond milk. Ben drinks his lactose milk. This is like that chai latte stuff, and then this is just like chicken stock. But I just kept it here because it's like the same size. So that is that shelf. Moving on to the middle shelf, we have our yogurts in this little container, and then all of our bread in here. I keep my bread in the fridge just because it lasts longer. And then we have our Brita here for our water. Up here, I got this is very extra, I know, but I did get a little container for your eggs, so I'm very excited about that. And then this drawer, or I guess drawer, is the lemons, limes, and then we have some blood oranges back there. This is our little cheese container. We just have some mozzarella cheese, American cheese, and then we randomly have some hummus, and then some cheddar cheese. And then another little dairy container. Some sour cream, heavy cream, this is unsalted butter, cream cheese back there, and a random thing of cinnamon buns. But that is the refrigerator, and it looks 10 times better. So happy about how that came out. So I am now going to tackle this. This is probably going to take me a little while, so let's see what we can come up with. are making progress. Slow, but it's happening. Slow and steady wins the race. That's all that really matters. Ah! Don't buy more. I don't know where to put anything. I like don't know where to put anything. Oh, why am I having a brain fart? Hello. I swear we're almost done because I'm like done with this one. It's like, it's getting dark. It is 5 o'clock. I started this at like 11. I didn't realize that this whole cabinet organization was going to be this crazy. But I am making it my mission to finish this in an hour. It's 5 o'clock. I need to be done with this by 6. This is how much I have left to figure out. I'm going to reorganize that basket because I don't know what to do with this stuff yet, so don't even worry about that. So yeah, she is finally done. Up here in this basket, I'll quickly go through. I just have like chips and stuff that's like in a bag, like pretzels and chips, like I said. Just stuff that you can't really put in a container. And then in this little container over here, I have some granola bars. I have some like mac and cheese back there that like we never eat, but I want to get rid of it. We have a lot of vegetable broth and chicken broth. I cook with these all the time, so I'm constantly always getting those. And then these containers. I will admit these containers gave me some trouble. Not like the containers itself, it's just I didn't know how or where I wanted to place them. I don't think this is going to be the final placement of them. I think I'm definitely going to play around with it a little bit. But I love these containers. Oh my god, they're so nice. They're so like just minimal and sleek, and I love it. I only put like names on the stuff that you don't always like know what it's gonna be, but I might as well just put names on all of them just because it looks weird with just names on some of them and not the rest. But this is how I have it. I have like, I tried to make it, so like I said before, I want it to look good, but I also want it to make sense and practical. So I have like coconut flour and almond flour back there. I don't always cook with those, so I'm not always grabbing for it, which is why I put it in the back. Sugar, cereal. Ben loves making oatmeal, so we have his Quaker Oats. We have flour back here, brown sugar. This is kind of like all of the pastas, I guess. We just have like regular spaghetti. We have black bean pasta back there, some macaroni, rice, and then chia seeds. So that's what I have on that shelf. This second shelf is stuff that can't go in containers, but it's also like I have no idea where to put you. So we have like stuff that's in a box, like popcorn. So we have some pasta sauce, peanut butter, graham crackers back there, hot chocolate, some random like stuff from Trader Joe's, and then over here we have all of our like syrups, hot sauce, honey, I think I have some balsamic back there, mayonnaise, just like stuff that doesn't have to go in there. It's like a condiment, but it's like not, it doesn't have to go in the fridge. So that's what I did there. Here is all of our cans I have a bunch of random canned stuff like sauce and beans and corn, so that is in that little basket. And then this basket, which I broke, but it's fine. I have all of our garbage bags, our Ziploc bags, batteries, aluminum foil, plastic wrap, so that stays there. And then down here, I think I showed you guys this last night. This is like Bella and Olive's shelf. Bella is getting more food, which is why I only have 2 cans right here. I have to pick up her food, I think tomorrow or Tuesday, so this will be completely filled. So, but yeah, that's pretty much everything, and I am so happy that I was able to reorganize it. She's like done with me. What is all these? You don't need these. She probably just wants to go outside. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said in the beginning, this was a budget-friendly video. In all, I would say this was, originally I was hoping to keep this closer to 150, but it ended up being like 200. So I think that's still a pretty good deal, just because I know a lot of times people can really just reorganize their stuff and it could cost so much money. But my closet looks completely different now, so I think 200 is not that bad for my financial position. I know everyone's financial position is different, but I'm glad that going into this, I made a note to myself that I wasn't just going to spend whatever I wanted, because I don't really have that ability to do that. So I'm glad that I was able to budget this into my income for the month. I hope that that helps anybody else out there that is trying to reorganize or even just renovate some stuff in their house. Keeping a budget is definitely some of the best things that you can do. Absolutely link the containers that I got for, you know, the random loose stuff. I am so happy I got those. I'm very happy with this brand, and the fact that I still have some left over is great because I can repurpose them and use them for something else. Like this video, this is like the first kind of organization video I've ever done on my channel. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.